Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this guide, we'll demonstrate how to add bulk extensions in the 3CX Management Console. The first option would be to navigate to www.3cx.com/docs/bulk-extension-import and download the 3CX Phone System CSV sample file. Open the sample file and fill in the required information and import it. The required information and how to import the CSV file will be covered in option 2. The second option is to export and import a CSV file in the 3CX Management Console. Log into the 3CX Management Console, select the Users tab, select a user and click on the Export button. Open the CSV file. Fill in the extension's information. The required fields include number, auth ID, auth password, and desk phone web pass. The number field should be filled in with the extension number. Auth ID, auth password, and desk phone web pass should be filled with a series of alphanumeric characters. It's best practice to fill in at least these fields as well: first name, last name, email address, mobile number, PIN, outbound caller ID, and deliver audio. The mobile number, PIN, and outbound caller ID should be filled as numeric only. Deliver audio should be set to 1. If you're adding physical phones, you can add the models and MAC addresses. The MAC_0 field should be filled in with the MAC address of the phone. The phone model 14 field should be filled in with the phone model name. The phone template 14 field should be filled in with the 3CX phone template. Phone models can be located at www.3cx.com/sip-phones. Clear the SRVC access hash data. Save the changes you made by clicking on File in the upper left corner, then click on Save. If a Confirm File Format message appears, click on Use Text CSV Format. Once you're done, navigate back to the 3CX Management Console and click on Import CSV. Select and import your CSV file. Congratulations! You've successfully added bulk extensions in 3CX. Check back for more helpful videos on 3CX, as well as other helpful guides.